Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. Hey there, welcome to ItsA, the brand new contributor-based social media and news site for filtering, sharing, and organizing content. There are many ways to locate content on ItsA, but I'm going to walk you through the three primary ways very briefly, starting with the title search filter. In the title search filter box, you can search for words or search for the titles of individual contributor submissions we call items. So after I type in journal, you'll see I get some results under three different categories. All the results will either include the word itself or will include a variation of that word in the title. Now, utilizing the keyword filter box, I can search for words used as common topics or the item keywords which are found within the contributor's content which has been submitted. So when I type in the exact word journalist, I only get one result, and in viewing the result, we can see the keyword here. Lastly, you can search on anyone's user group name. So if I type in a part of Elite Eskimo, you will see I can find many results for the content Elite Eskimo has submitted. And this is a good way to search for friends, family, or people who post content you're interested in. And if you ever want to focus on one of these categories, just click the number in next to it to focus on it. This video has demonstrated a quick run through on how to use the primary search filters on ItsA.